Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. My dears, we have learnt addition in our previous class, and in our today's class we shall learn addition facts or properties of addition. Yes, my dears, properties of addition are mainly divided into three main categories. The first thing is order property of addition. The second one is the grouping property of addition, and the last final one is zero property of addition. Yes, my dears, what are properties of addition are order property, grouping property and zero property. Now we shall study one by one briefly. Order property of addition. What does this order property of addition tells us is, it tells us by taking an example that 182 plus 316. On adding the numbers like 182 and the 316 gives the value of 498. Whenever we are taking the digits in crosswise, that is taking first digit into second one and second digit into first one, and even adding that gives the value of 498 itself. By this example, what we have came to know is 182 plus 316 is equals to 316 plus 182. Yes, my dears, we have came to know what is order property of addition, where we consider 108 numbers which we are adding as addend, and the obtained product has a sum. Now we shall learn second property of addition, that is grouping property, where this grouping property of addition we shall just discuss by taking an example, that is on adding 40 plus 50 plus 20. What does this, how we consider is, on adding 40 plus 50 gives the value of 90. On adding 90 plus 20, we get the value of 110. Next, we can also write this, we can also get the same sum by adding two digits, that is by adding 50 plus 20. On adding 50 plus 20, we get the value of 70. On adding 40 plus 70 gives the value again, that is of 110. My dears, we can also do this example by taking 40 plus 20 which is equals to 60, 60 plus 50 is equals to 110, where grouping property of addition is also associative. We will learn all these things in our higher classes. Now the last property which we have left over is zero property of addition. On considering example that 300 plus 315 plus 0 is equals to 315, and 0 plus 315 again gives the value of 315 only. What this zero property of addition tells us is, on adding any number to 0 gives the value of the same. We will get the same value which we are adding to the 0. Yes, my dears, I hope we are all familiar with the three properties of addition, that is order property, grouping property, and the last thing is zero property. Now we shall just see our next topic. First, before going to topic, we shall just see the main important concept to do the sum, that is addition. Step to add 4-digit numbers using expanded form. What are all the rules we should consider is given in your screen. Please make note down of that, and we shall now start with our class with our next topic, that is addition using expanded form. What we have learnt in our previous class is how to write the expanded form of given digits. Now we shall just go on doing that by adding. Now we are seeing the example, that is, let us add 4162 and 3720 using expanded form method. My dears, we have already learnt how to write expanded forms for the given numbers. That is, 4162 can be written as 4000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 2. Yes, my dears, the next thing is how to write expanded form of 3720 is 3000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 0. How we are adding this is, we are writing the place value charts for the given obtained expanded form, and we are now just adding with our addition rules what we have learnt in our addition, that is in our third chapter. First we should add unit ones place, next we should add tens place, next we should add the hundreds place, and finally we should add thousands place, so that we will get our required answer. Now on adding 4160 plus 2 to the number, that is 3720 plus 0, gives the value of 7882. Now you might be confusing that how to write this. Now I will show you with some other examples that how we can add the given numbers using expanded form, where it is very easy to all of us. Now consider the example, that is, add 3492 to 2457 using expanded form, where now we shall just write expanded form of 3492 and 2457 in our notebooks. After writing all the things, what we get is 3000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 2 and 2000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 7. Now we shall go on adding. What we have to do is, first we should add the tens place, next we should add the ones place, next to that we should add tens, hundreds and thousand we have learnt. Now on adding all the digits which are present in the ones place, that is 2 and 7, gives the value of 9. Next on adding 90 plus 50 which are present in the tens place, we get the value of 140, where we are writing only tens place in the tens position or tens place value chart. So we have splitted 140 into 100 plus 40, where we have carried over 100 to the next place value chart, that is hundreds place value chart. And now on adding 400 plus 100 which we have carried over, we get the value of 900. And finally we are adding the last digits in the thousands place, that is 3000 plus 200 gives the 3000 plus 2000 gives the value of 5000. Now the answer obtained is 5000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 9. The obtained value we are writing in a standard form, so that we get the answer of 5949. Yes, my dears, we have came to know the answer of 3492. On adding that number to 2457, we get the value of 5949. Yes, my dears, I hope you have understood how to add the given numbers using expanded form. Thank you.